as usual, कुछ भी planned नहीं था. This stall was unplanned. One day before, on 17 at 4:30 approximately, we started mid cakes and whipped cream, and at 12 p.m. we were done with that. SUNDAEs, and with the help of cute Bobby, so sportive one. Now we closed our fourth Zaiqat because अभी फिलहाल YouTube पर focus करना है, trying to boast here to achieve a target. And in this time, I am a stall was about SUNDAEs, and this stall I in Kaya Depth School, and we went here at 8 from 9 to 12. Stall timing was kids was like it's too expensive SUNDAEs. Yeah, it for you guys. Fairly it nissan nahi hui, but when parents came, all SUNDAEs was sold out. We made 30 SUNDAEs, 9 mango, 10 strawberry, and 11 chocolate. Kids found strawberry, as usually they like pink. So girls buy pink, strawberry flavor, and parents usually want chocolate and flavors. We were live on YouTube, and I do not posted it on YouTube because of our voices and the music noise, and people's was shown on that live, so I don't want to post that. So I be long time के लिए others close है because I have no time for that. But if कहीं अगर free stall की exhibition हुई, तो definitely we will go. And you guys must visit our stall 1 or 2 days before. We will update you guys in our social media platforms. So this is all about 18 December 2025. Memorable day and unforgettable day. Lots of things I am not mentioning here. And I just want to complete this challenge. Please give some ideas for vlog challenge. ताकि it done soon. So I start my Islamic content soon, inshallah. So yeah, that's all about that day.